On April 19, 2026, VERCEL disclosed a major security incident affecting their infrastructure. Here's what happened and what every VERCEL customer needs to do right now. The attack did not start at VERCEL. It started at Context.ai, a third-party artificial intelligence tool used internally by VERCEL employees. This is the hallmark of a supply chain attack. The weakest link in the chain is not the target itself, but a vendor in its stack. From the compromised Context.ai session, the attacker pivoted into a VERCEL employee's Google Workspace account. From that Google account, they gained access to internal VERCEL systems, credentials, dashboards, and infrastructure that employees use every day. According to VERCEL, a limited subset of customers had their non-sensitive environment variables exposed in plaintext. Variables that were marked as sensitive in the VERCEL dashboard, those stored with encryption at rest, remained protected. But here is the catch. Many teams store API keys and database URLs as regular environment variables, not marked sensitive. Here is an example of what this means in practice. A typical project has a database URL, a Stripe secret key, and an OpenAI API key stored as environment variables. If these were not explicitly marked sensitive in the VERCEL dashboard, they were stored in plaintext, and they were potentially exposed during this breach. To their credit, VERCEL responded quickly. They engaged Mandiant and other cybersecurity firms. They notified law enforcement. They deployed additional monitoring across their infrastructure. And they published indicators of compromise so the wider community can detect related activity. If you use VERCEL, here is what you need to do right now. Rotate every API key, token, and database credential stored in your environment variables. Mark every secret value as sensitive in the dashboard so it is encrypted going forward. Enable two-factor authentication on your VERCEL account, and audit your access logs for the affected dates. The real lesson from this incident is about supply chain security. Your security posture is only as strong as the weakest vendor in your stack. VERCEL was not attacked directly. A third-party AI tool was. And that is increasingly how modern breaches happen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more security and DevOps breakdowns. Stay safe out there.